Hey you guys, it's been way too long since I should be saying hey to you guys, but hello. Happy 2021. Let's start there. It is literally a whole new year. And with this year, we're going to do everything that we were supposed to do last year. We're going to actually do it this year, okay? So as you already see above, today is going to be about the brand Icy Wifey Cosmetics. I did kind of want to show you guys, I bought, let's say, I'm like looking over there because I want to say a couple, but I bought more than two. I bought like 6 of these to organize and to be, to keep my brands, because I've been doing, again, a lot of PR. I've been doing a lot of reviews. I've been doing a lot of like Instagram Reels, TikToks, and all of that. So I need to stay organized. So I have these 2 small little pencil cases. You know what? I didn't even show y'all what I have from the brand Icy Wifey Cosmetics. I have all my goodies laid out. So let's just keep it. Oh girl, I'm revealing all my secrets. Okay, so business, let's keep it waist up. I got my pajamas on. Keep it waist up. All of this is the stuff that I have received from Icy Wifey Cosmetics. Love them. Absolutely love them. They reached out on Instagram, so thank you for all of my goodies. I literally can't even fit them all into one frame. Thank you. I love it. Let's get the hair. Shout out to my hairstylist real quick. Shout out to Kathleen, honey. If you're in the Polk County 863 area, hit me up on Instagram to check out the tags. She did that. I'm going to give you guys a quick rundown of everything that I have received from the brand. Starting with the paint palette. This is the All-Nighter paint palette. I have 2 lip glosses in the shade Chocolate Diamond and in the shade Wifey. Beautiful packaging as well. We have 3 liquid shadows in the shade Dubai Daddy. We have Leo. And we have Miss Thang. Love those. 2 loose highlighters. One in the shade You Wish, which is my personal favorite, because you see all those tones. You can see brown, you see pink, you see blue, you see purple, but it really comes off like blue. So I love that. We have Super Gold in competition with Miss Trophy Wife, which there is no competition now that we have Miss Beehive. But we have Miss Beehive, a loose gold highlighter. Absolutely love her. Something that hasn't got used yet, but actually on Instagram tonight, we are going to use her. So follow me on Instagram, JuGalaxSea. Literally, JuGalaxSea on everything. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Snapchat, like everywhere. So we got some paint pots. Ooh, splash pots. I'm excited. Water activated. We have 3 loose pigments. One is an emerald green, one is a super gold, and one is a ruby red. This is new. This is the Diamond Dust Face and Body Illuminator. And I don't know if y'all can see, but it has a little loose powder in there. Really nice. I want to try that because I'm wondering, like, does it have a smell? Like, is it 2-in-1 fragrance and diamond dust? The last, and the one that has got low-key the most use. Like, if it wasn't this, it was the paint palette, because you can use these as lipsticks. You can use them as actual face paint, eyeshadow base. Out of the lashes and the paint palette, they both got used the most, but the lash style that I have is Sarabi. And let's get into the packaging. I love this packaging. So cute. Diamond. It's a holographic diamond. We have the shade, the style. I always say shade when I'm talking about lashes. The style Spoiled Brat. And keep in mind, I have worn all of these, and I've worn them more than once, so they might look a little used, but they're still in great condition. That's why I also love this brand. Good quality with lash, and the style Winnie. The ones that I wore the most were Winnie and Spoiled Brat. I want to say Winnie a little bit more. This one a little bit more than Spoiled Brat, but both of them are amazing. So thank you again, Icy Wifey Cosmetics, for providing me with all this stuff. Jules, leave in the comments, like, what do you want me to start with? All right, guys, so we're going to jump in and we're going to get organized. So I like this bag also because it's really a 4-piece set. Like, we're going to start with the biggest section at the base. And right now, let's lower this so we can see what I'm doing. I'm going to take my paint palette because this is pretty wide and I don't want that to get bent or anything. I'm going to keep that at the base. Next, because I do like to stay organized, I will put these down there. So I'm going to keep the paints with the paints. Makes sense. Keep the paints with the paints. Because the lash case is really big, the lashes are going in next. I'm going in. And I think, is that going to be the base? We're going to put this to the side. So my next group is going to be for the lippies. Let's put our, see, now I'm thinking something else. We're going to go ahead and put this big one here. All right, now we're organized. Now let's go ahead and we're going to take the loose pigments out of here. Open that. That way you can see it even better. I love the pack. Like, this brand is killer with packaging, yo. Like, for real, killing it with packaging. Even their lash glue has diamonds on it. The lash glue, the glue itself has actual diamonds on it. Like, this brand is so fancy. Definitely gives me inspiration for my own brand one day. Love it. Love that. And this one is that emerald green. It's kind of like a blue green. So like seafoam, like a sea. Okay, so all I have left are 3 eyes. 6 eyes, really. And then these are for the face. Okay, so what I think I'm going to do is keep my eyes together, which would be my liquid shadows, my loose pigments. But watch this. See, now I want to put, now I want to put these little guys. I want to keep those. Should I keep those in there? Does it make more sense to keep my little paints with the big one, or like keep this eye stuff with the eye? You know, we're gonna keep the paints with the paints for now. Comment, y'all. Comment. I love talking to you guys. We're gonna keep the eyes with the eyes, y'all. Okay, we're gonna keep that there. We're getting there. So the final, oh, yo, I have to leave space for this. I'm not gonna take this out of the packaging just yet because I want to take more pictures of this first. So coming back to her, let's just go ahead and put the loose highlighters here. One thing, I haven't had a problem with this from their brand, but in my mind, I'm always scared of leaving loose highlighters with other things because, you know, I don't want it to open and spill on other things. But, you know, we're going to trust it. These loose highlighters have literally stayed in place all this time. So before I get super packed up, let's go ahead and put our diamond dust. I'm going to put our diamond dust right in there. So everything is done, you guys. A quick little how to get organized. Organizing my Icy Wifey cosmetics. This is an all-in-one. Let's keep this video really short. I will be back with more. If you guys like how I organize my stuff, trust me, like I said, I have one for One Size Beauty. I have one for Minted Cosmetics. I have one for Hunter Faulkner Cosmetics. I have one for Milk Makeup. So yeah, if you like this and you like being interactive, definitely comment below. I miss you guys, but happy 2021. We are here, and this is not the only video. This is just the first video of the year. All right, guys, I will see you later. Comment below what you want to see from me. Let's talk. It's been too long, girl. All right, adios. Y'all, it's been a little too long. I didn't even tell you guys to subscribe. So if you made it this far, you already know. Hit that red subscribe button. We are almost at 17,000 here on YouTube. Bitch, gag. We are almost at 17,000 on YouTube. We are not that far away from 12,000 on Instagram, which is just like, wow, like mind-blowing. So yeah, I'm going to put this in my IGTV, I think, and YouTube. But YouTube, y'all will see it first. So shout out to YouTube. Follow me on Instagram. I am on TikTok right now. Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Facebook, JuGalaxSea. We are getting the content up and out. All right, guys. Officially now, I will see you in the next video. Adios.